Hello there, my friends. This is kind of a behind the scenes almost, because this is the camera that I use to shoot most of my videos down on this Chesx mat. You usually have seen those if you've seen any of my videos. This is a Canon, and it's the Vixia here, let me get the model number in there, HFR 700. Okay, it's got a great zoom and everything. But anyway, I've been doing all my other cameras. I've been setting the time and the date, so we're going to figure out how to do that on this one too. And I'll show you how to do that. Yeah, I know there's no memory card in there right now because I'm using it in this Sony. So what we want to do is we want to go to Home. We're going to go to this one here. See where it says Tools? I'm going to press on Tools. Other Settings. Adjust your settings and preferences. Okay. Press on that. And see this wrench up here? You can press on that wrench. And right here it says Date and Time. I'm going to press on Date and Time. Okay, and in order to select that, you have to press this little arrow button right there. And now it says the date and time. So it says it's March 15th at 4:52. And with a quick check, I think that's a couple minutes behind. Yeah, I've got 4:54 on my phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to press, press right there. Then you get your up or down buttons. Adjust that to 54. Once everything's exactly the way you want it, you can even change the format here if you want, or go to 24-hour mode, military time. I like it the way it is, so we're good here. I'm going to hit OK. And now you're done. And that's it. Simple, easy as pie. I'm not in New York, but I'm in the New York time zone. That's what that means. All right, guys, have a great day today. See if you can help someone. Smash like, that helps me. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And have a great day. And I love you. Take care.